How do grad students synthesize research for a literature review? Imagine piecing together a giant puzzle where each piece is a research paper. Your goal is to create a clear picture of what is known and what still needs exploring in your field. That's what synthesizing research is all about. It's not just about summarizing studies, but about connecting them in a way that shows the bigger story. When choosing your graduate program, understanding how to do this helps you pick faculty who value this skill. It also guides you in developing your research question and framing your project within existing knowledge. Once you have your list of 10 to 15 relevant papers, start organizing them in one document. This becomes your main hub for tracking sources and ideas. As you read each paper, take notes on key points, methods used, and any interesting findings. Don't wait until you finish reading all the papers. Write down your impressions as you go. This keeps your thoughts fresh and makes it easier to see connections later. Next, look for patterns across the studies. Do they agree or disagree on certain points? Are there debates or controversies? Are some methods more common than others? Are there gaps in the research that your project could fill? Mapping these relationships helps you see how each study relates to your overall research question. It also helps you organize your review into logical sections, like themes or debates. When writing your review, craft paragraphs that link studies together. Use transition words to show comparisons or contrasts. Instead of just paraphrasing, add your interpretation about what the findings mean for your field. Explain how each piece contributes to the bigger picture and how they relate to your research goals. Your literature review should start with an introduction that states your main topic and what you aim to explore. The body then synthesizes the main ideas from multiple sources, showing how they connect and differ. Finally, your conclusion summarizes what you've learned and points out any gaps or limitations. Throughout this process, check in with your faculty advisor. Different programs have different expectations for how a literature review should be structured. Looking at theses or dissertations in your area can give you concrete examples of how to weave research into a cohesive narrative. Remember, synthesizing research is about building an argument. It shows where researchers agree, where they disagree, what methods they use, and what questions are still open. This work positions your own research within the larger conversation and demonstrates why your project matters. It's a skill that takes practice, but once mastered, it becomes a powerful tool for your graduate journey.